Sir, can you tell me regarding the PhD experience in IIT Madras, like for mechanical department?
Okay. See, I have not done the PhD in mechanical, means not in ED also, but
Sir, like
you want
the
to,
questions
which
are
thing you want
similar.
to clear out?
Sir, like interview questions are similar to that of MTech or MS, or it is different from that.
No, no, it will be same only, means with respect, but it will get more time for the interview. Means they will ask more question as compared to the MS or MTech. Because you are going for the highest degree, means doctorate is the highest degree in our means India. So
Yes.
they will ask question. So it will be some more time for the means interview will take more time as compared to the MTech or MS. But it will be means if you are from mechanical, it will be similar to the MTech. Means question will be similar. Sometimes they will get deeper. Means if you tell that your favorite subject the SOM or TOM, so sometimes they will get into deeper. But the questions will be same as the MS or MTech.
Okay,
Hello,
sir. Okay.
sir.
Yeah, yes.
I am BTech from mechanical, but I want to research in computer science field. So, will they ask in interview that in which field you are interested in research, or will they only ask questions from mechanical in an interview?
See, if you most of the time they will ask for the mechanical because you want to do the career in the computer science. I mean, whether but whether you are know any computer science courses or don't know, but they will mostly ask question from the mechanical.
So, will they ask in interview itself that in which field you are interested in research, or they will just take the interview regarding mechanical?
They can ask at the end of the interview, but they will not ask at the initially means.
So, if they ask, then is there any chance that they will also ask some questions related to computer science?
I think they can ask, but you can tell that I want to do the work in that one, but I know don't know more things in that department, computer science related.
Okay.
Yeah, but as far as my question, do you know anything basics about the computer science?
Yes, I have a little basic knowledge of Python.
Yeah, yeah. Then they will ask if they ask questions, you can tell that I have just basic knowledge about the computer. I want to just get progress in that department, in that domain. So
Okay.
they will ask most of the question into mechanical.
Okay.
See, in the interview capacity, how much you confident about your knowledge, they will see that main thing only.
Okay.
Okay. So if they ask question from the mechanical, if you are confident about that one, they will satisfy. They know that whatever you are telling in the interview, they will not apply in the MS. Okay. The MS is different as compared to our BTech. So, but they just want to see the how you behave in the interview, means how you are confident about your knowledge and all this, means how you are strong your basics. That's it.
Hello?
Ah, yes. Anything.
Can you discuss about interview experience of design engineering design? MS?
Engineering design, right?
Huh?
Yeah, engineering design department, right?
Yes. Engineering design means how the
Okay.
interview starts and which.
So, as I already mentioned, they will in my during my time they asked me to what are your favorite subjects. Okay, so in that one I told I think machine
Okay.
design, SOM, and the manufacturing. So they asked me question regarding the machine design and the SOM. All these are the basic questions. Means they didn't get into means some stress strain curve. In that one they will ask something. What is the means? They ask me to draw the stress strain curve in the whiteboard. Okay, so in that they will ask what are the main points in the stress strain board, as well as some question related to machine design. So all are the basic questions only.
Hello.
Ah, yes.
Are questions expected on the area of specialization that we have asked that we have mentioned in the application form? And second question is, do they ask about the research plan?
No, they will not ask for the research plan. First thing is they will not ask, and the questions will be depend on your background. You are from which departments. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If you are from mechanical, it will be related to mechanical. If you are from electrical, it will be electrical. Computer science will be the question will be related to computer science. because in the
Okay, and
research, the research is not a, I think is not a subject like we can prepare for the 1 or 2 weeks or 1 or 2 days. It will 2 or 2.5 years. Okay, so we are from the BTech, so we don't know anything related to MS or MTech, means what are the research process. So they will not ask research about the research plan. They will ask what are your means in which area you want to work, or is there any idea to work on that. But they will not ask for the whole plan, means how you going to work in the department.
okay, and I have applied for automotive engineering as my first preference. So can I expect questions from automobile systems because I am from electronics background?
No, no, I think not like that. Means if you are selected automobile, it doesn't matter. Means that they will ask related to the automobile only. If you are from electronics, they will ask for the question related to the electronics department only. Means there are some subjects no in electronic department. So in that subject only they will ask questions.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, hi Rajat, you can go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Hi, hi.
Sir, could you tell me something about the placement preparation scenario?
Okay, placement preparations. From which department you are?
So I'm from mechanical background and I applied in engineering design.
Okay, sir. For the placement, it's depend on the for which company you are applying. Okay, if you are applying for the core department means core companies like automotive means Bajaj or some Mercedes or some Mahindra. Okay, the question will be there will be some aptitude questions as well as some technical questions. So the technical will be from the some all the mechanical subjects means manufacturing, the thermal, heat transfer, everything. So you need to basic things about the your core mechanical as well as the aptitude. Okay.
And for what about non-core placements?
See, non-core placement, they will have separate test. Means they will ask for some programming. Okay, they will some companies will ask to write a program for some. They will get some question as well. Some they will ask for to write a program. So it will be 1 hour, 2 hour. So it's depend on the company. But non-core aptitude as well as some
Sir, in
programming.
interview they ask the favorite subjects, but in in interview will they ask only from our favorite subjects, or will they ask from other subjects as well? Like, do we need to prepare for other subjects as well?
Yeah, you need to prepare for other subject also. Means most of the
Sir,
time
one
they will
more
ask
doubt.
for, yeah, most of the time they will ask for major subject, but sometimes they can ask for the another subjects also. Means you for mechanical, you need to prepare for the all the some basic subjects of the mechanical. You should know basic things about that subject.
Okay, sir. Sir, you just said you were asked the questions from the machine design. So could you please tell like what kind of questions from the machine design will they like can we expect?
Yeah, I think I don't remember, but don't remember basic things means what are the stresses. Okay, for the SOM they will ask some stresses or strain diagram. What are the principal stresses? Okay, for machine design they will ask for the what are the types of failure. Okay, means they will give some
Okay.
means if they
There is
will
a pillar is
give.
important from machine design.
Uh, I'm sorry, I did not hear you clearly.
Yeah, from area from machine design, that areas of failure is important. 5 areas of failure, and then the graphical questions are there, like a Soderbergh equation, Goodman's equation. That one is very important, and the fatigue curve is important. See, if you say very small topic, na very one two subject, if you say na, then the faculty will ask question from other topics also. But if initially the faculty ask about your favorite topic, if you say 3 to 4 topics, na, then the faculty will ask the question from that 3 to 4 topics, 3 to 4 subjects. But what happens? Na, sometimes some people they say, I only prepare from song. So the faculty asks question from song, and then they switch to other subject also. It's like it goes on this way. So
Okay.
at least if you prepare 2 to 4 subjects, 1 2 subject from designs like a strength of material is one of the important topics, and then heavy of machine design is very small topic like it, and 1 2 subject from a thermal side, or from manufacturing side, or whatever you like.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Hello,
anyone?
sir.
Yeah, hi.
Uh, as we know that as per the current situation, the classes will be online, I think. So this is the research oriented program. So how we are supposed to do research in online classes? Will this also impact in the placement scenario in the future if we don't have a good strong research due to corona?
Okay, so I think you are looking for the MTech or MS. Which one?
As engineering design.
No, you are applying for the MTech or means Indian design. There is no MTech. Okay, so for the MS,
MS.
yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
MS.
so for the MS, I think first year will go for your completing your coursework. Okay, so you have to complete a mandatory 5 courses. Means you have to complete any 5 courses. So most of the professor, what will do? They will ask to complete in your first 2 semesters. They will ask to complete 5 or 6 courses. Okay. So in first year, it will go for the completing the coursework. So in second year, what IIT Madras is doing, they are calling back the MS or PhD student for their research in lab. So it's not like that the people are in the home. So many MS or PhD people are working in the lab in IIT Madras.
Okay. I got it.
So they are given some allotted time, means you have to go for the only Monday, Tuesday, means Monday, Friday, means 2 or 3 days in week. But they are calling back, means who is in the second or third year, they will calling back to in the institute for the research, because they also don't, because they also know that the people cannot do the research in the home. Okay.
It will
Okay.
not affect much. I think like
Yeah. So I think as per your
for the
batch,
people who have
your
taken
first
admission,
if you got
not
admission,
confirm.
as you look, so your first year will go into the means online. So it doesn't matter whether your first year will go home or in the campus, because in first 2 semester you will not do that much research. Means you will do some literature, but you can do that in home also. Means you can download paper from the internet and you can read in your laptop only. Okay, you don't need to no need to go in the lab. So first year and the second year they will call back to your department. Means you can talk with your professor. They will ask you to come to the lab. No, don't worry about that. It will not affect that much. Okay, I think there is some question from the meeting. For favorite subjects, can we say thermofluid mechanics, or we should prepare for? Yeah, you can go ahead. Means you can go with your whatever your favorite subjects. See, the department name is engineering design doesn't means that the research will go on the design or some mechanical related. It's a name only engineering design, but the people the professor will in the work in the all the domains. Means they will work in thermal as well as some fluid mechanics only. So you can tell whatever your favorite subjects. It doesn't matter whether it means it's not mandatory that you should say SOM or subject related to machine design. It's name only engineering design. Yeah, your doubt cleared, Nitin. Yeah, am I audible?
Hello.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got a response. Yeah. Hi,
Yes,
Jay.
sir. Clear.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one more questions from my side. So you told that MS can be converted into PhD after 1 year. So after 1 year, if I convert PhD, then will I get any certificate for MS, or is it direct PhD?
No, you will not get any course means any certificate for the MS. You will get for PhD. If you didn't completed your PhD, means you will get only MS. Means it's uh, means there are 5 or 6 years. No, for the PhD, you have to complete in the 5 or 6 years. Otherwise, you will not get after that. You will not get stipend after that 5 years. Okay. So after 5 years, if you think that no, I can't complete the PhD, I'm okay satisfied with the MS. So you will get the MS degree. But if you complete your PhD, you will get PhD degree only. I mean, you will not get MS and PhD both degree. You will get only PhD.
Okay, so either MS or PhD. Yeah.
Yeah, either MS or PhD. See, to go for the
Okay.
PhD, there will be separate exam. Means that's means separate exam means there is this compre viva. Okay.
Okay.
So everyone has to go through that. If you got passed in that exam, you will get means you will get promoted into PhD.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone? Anyone has questions?
Sir,
Yeah. Hi.
hello, sir. Hi, sir. Sir, could you place the Could you please tell the stipend for MS and PhD?
Okay, for stipend is around 12,400. Okay, for the 2.5 years
For
for the MS. Means MS and MTech both are same. Means both you will get same stipend. For the PhD, I think this last year it's around 32,000 for the first 3 year, and then later on I think around 37 like that.
okay, sir.
Okay. Hey, if anyone, okay, there is a one that you can get from the BTech. From the BTech, you will get admission of a PhD. There's some PMRF scheme. Scheme. Anyone knows PMRF? Prime Minister Research Fellowship.
Don't know, sir. Could you please
No, no. I
explain?
think you can
Yeah, you
search
can apply
on.
for PMRF also.
Yeah.
One
So
can
after
apply
the,
for PMRF
yeah,
also.
yeah.
You'll be getting stipend of 70,000 rupees for 2 years, then 75,000, and then the last 2 years 80,000 rupees. So most of the people who apply for PhD, they definitely apply for PMRF also. This year, the procedure has changed. Like you have to apply for any institute for PhD, and then you have to apply for PMRF.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is the maximum duration for
Many
completion of
people are
MS,
doing
sir?
PMRF from institute also.
See,
How
there's
many
a
years
no.
we should complete?
No, I think what should I say? There's a no restriction for the completion of the MS. Means you can complete in 3 years or 4 years. You can complete for 5 years in 5 years, but you will get stipend for the only for 2.5 years.
Okay, sir.
You can complete in 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. There is no restriction. Mean you have to complete in 3 years or not like that. Means if you didn't complete in 3, you will not get it. Not such a thing. But you will get stipend only for 2.5 years.
Most of
Okay,
the
sir.
NS get
Thank you,
completed
sir.
in 5 years, maximum 5 years.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Yeah. Answer. You are telling something.
No, I'm saying that most of the NS they get completed 2.5 to 3 years only.
Yeah, yeah,
Hardly go
maximum.
to actual.
Yeah, people are mostly maximum 3 years. They are competing before that only.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Sir, sir, MS coursework is 2.5 years, so it affects placement. Means it is same as MTech or it is different.
No, no, yeah. See, for the MS, if you are ready for the placements, means in the second year you can apply for the second. You can apply for the placement in second year also. Okay, there is no restriction. Means you have to apply only third year or in second. Means you're in third. Means second year. You can apply in second year as well as means it's depend on you. If you want, if you told that means your research is you can join the company after 2 years. Means you can complete your research work in 2 years. You can go for the placements. See, in that for the MS people, you should your guides NOC is required to sit for the placement. If your guide is happy with your research and he is confident that you will complete your research in 2 years and you can join the company after the 2 years, so then you can sit for the placement in the second year. So it's depend on the how your research is
Okay.
going on.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Means it's not like the MTech. Means MTech you can sit only for the second year. Okay, it's not like that for MS. You can sit for second year or third year. Means depend on you. Either if your research is going very, very well and you can complete in second means 2 year, you can go for the placement in second year. Means after 1.5 year. And most of the placement will happen in the
Okay.
December only, no, first week of
Sir,
December. Thanks, everyone. I think it's nice to meet you, all of you. I think I hope everyone will get the admission whatever in which IIT they will want. Okay, and if anyone didn't get the means this one admission in the IIT Madras or in any IIT, don't lose the hope. Okay, you will get in not in this attempt. You can get the job means this admission in next attempts. So I think I have attempted. I think there are many people who I think tried for 2 to 3 years, and after in 3 or 4 attempts they will get admission in the IIT. But you need to try your best. And let's see what happens. So all the best for all of you for your admission. Hope I think all of you get admission in IIT Madras. I think as far as IIT Madras, it's very very good environment to work in this Chennai. So we'll get all the facilities, all this support from the professor as well as the academics. So don't worry about the college. Just try to focus on your basic things. Okay, all the best. Bye.